What's going on, guys? Sean here. In today's video, I'm gonna give you 5 different ways that you can fix a bad day. So without further ado, let's go.
Nerf this!
So I'm gonna go to Nordstrom Rack and see if I can't get a nice short sleeve dress shirt because it is very humid and hot out. It's June, loving this weather. I don't have any short sleeve dress shirts, so I'm gonna see if I can't find one, and I'm gonna see if I'm gonna have time to hit the gym today. Hopefully I'll have enough time, but I'm getting a really late start. Let's see what we can do. So we in the car, you know what time it is. It's time for number 1. The first way to fix a bad day is to definitely write down everything you're grateful for. Just get a list, get a piece of paper, blank, and fire away. Just write down everything that comes to your mind. Now, this could be a list of people, material things, experiences you've had, you know, your job, your pets, brother, sister, mother, significant other, anything. Your car, just even the fact that you opened your eyes today and you're able to come on YouTube and watch me. Wow. No, even the fact that you were able to open your eyes this morning, take a deep breath of oxygen, and just be alive. Because not everyone gets to do that every morning. People die every day. So, if you're vertical, it can't be a bad day, bro. So, let's keep it rolling. So as I'm filming transition shots in the car, like I usually do, battery's about to die. Battery's about to die. Battery's about to die. Every time, battery's about to die. Good morning, guys. I haven't filmed in a few days. I'm gonna give you a quick life update in the car, but right now we gotta go because Liz gotta get to work, and I'm gonna drive her there today because I am not working today. I'm off, and you'll find out why. So let's go. I just dropped Lily off, and as I said earlier, I haven't filmed in a few days, so let me give you point number 2. Point number 2 is to simply just smile, and as cheesy as that sounds, no pun intended, it really works. There's been studies, even if you put on a fake smile, that it will alter your mindset and make you believe that you are actually happy. So if you just simply practice smiling when you're down, it'll fix a bad time. It's gonna be a good time. So tip number 2 is to simply smile. And now, as promised, just wanted to give you a quick life update and why I haven't filmed in a few days, hence why this video is kind of gonna be all over the place. I left my old 9-to-5 job and I have started a new one. It's not really a 9-to-5 job. There's some ownership opportunity. It's more fit for a true entrepreneur like myself. So I'll be doing that from now on, and I'm really excited. I've already been in it a few days, and yeah, life is good, man. Life is good. I also am going to be at home most of the day because I purchased a drone. So I'm gonna have some dope drone shots for you guys, and it's awesome, and I can't wait. And there's gonna be a void of drone shots in Boston because your boy David de las Morenas is moving out of state, and he's the king of drone shots in Boston, in my opinion. But there's gonna be a void, and that void needs to be filled, and I figured who better to do it than me. So I'm gonna be doing that. So the drone comes in today, so if all goes well, maybe I'll have some in this video. Keep watching to find out. All right, so I've been waiting around all day trying to just wait for this drone to show up, and finally, boom, it showed up. Peep it. I gotta go bring Lily her phone, but peep it. I'm so glad it came in. I was worried because I thought I was gonna leave, FedEx was gonna come, and I wasn't able to get it today because I had to sign for it. So I was just worried that if they showed up again, I wouldn't be here. But luckily, on the 11th hour before I was about to head out, they came in. So let's go give Lily her phone. So I'm here with the Shui right now. Give her her phone back. I just didn't film it when we got to her work, but we're gonna get a coffee on our lunch break because she's a boss and gets an hour lunch. I told her about the drone. It came in.
Just wait
pumped
for it.
about it.
Best shots. You're gonna.
Oh my God,
I'm so excited.
The void of Boston drone shots is gonna be filled by yours truly. But first, coffee.
I'm late and I'm
Bye,
great.
Shui. Bye. So I just left the Shui, obviously. Going back home. Gonna try and figure out the drone, set it up, maybe fly it, and get some footage like I had said earlier. Once we get there, I'll give you the third tip though, back to the video, because I don't want to waste your time. Let go. So I'm trying to put the drone together right now. Let me just show you. There it is in all its glory. But as promised, number 3 is to simply vent and get it off your chest. If you're having a bad day, go to someone you trust that you know will encourage you, build you up. Maybe it's a mentor, maybe it's a parent, maybe it's a spouse. Whoever that is for you, just go and get it off your chest. Say, hey, listen, for me, it's my fiance. I always go to her and say, hey babe, listen, I'm having a really poopy day. XYZ happened, I just need a vent. And I can always vent to her, get it off my chest, and after I get that weight off of my shoulders, I always feel so much better. So number 3 is to simply vent and get it off your chest. Get it off your mind. That'll remind you that you're still here. It's not such a bad day after all. So get whatever's bothering you off your mind, off your chest, to someone you trust. Now let's see if I can put this drone together, huh? Okay, so drone is together pretty much. I put the propellers on, the remote's charging, the battery's charging. We gonna get this done today. We gonna have the first test fly today. But first I need to go to the store. I need to pick up a few things. So I'm gonna let this charge. It says it takes about an hour and a half. And when we get to the store, I'll give you the 4th tip. So I totally spaced and forgot to film at the store. I put the camera in the center console of my car and completely forgot about it. I am going to try to fly the drone right now, so I'm going to try and film myself flying the drone or getting the drone off the ground. It might be a little scary. Before I do that, I will give you the 4th tip. The 4th tip I have for you is something really practical, and I've done this myself many times when I'm having a bad day, and this kind of ties into the last tip about venting. But basically, I write down everything that's bothering me. So let's just say a customer really gave me a hard time and they were being truly unreasonable. I write down everything that's bothering me, crumble it up into a little ball, or rip it up and throw it in the garbage. You'll be surprised how great that works. And that, again, kind of ties into venting. But if you don't have anyone to vent to at that particular time, it's a really good idea to just write it down and get it off your chest and rip it up. It feels so good. So that's tip number 4. So let me try to fly this drone right now, and then I'll come back to you with the last tip. There you go. So I shut the camera off because I couldn't figure it out first. And then I did. That was top 5 scariest things I've ever done in my life. Just knowing the expense of that drone and for it flying up that high above the house. I hit the return home button and it literally went above the house. And I'm like, oh my God, is this thing gonna try and land on top of the house? Dude, I've never been so scared. I couldn't get the remote to link, so I was remote controlling it from my phone. I gotta go get Lily right now. And then after I come back from getting her, I'll give you the 5th and final tip on how to fix a bad day. So stay tuned. And we got the Shui, and she's eating the snacks that she didn't finish from lunch.
But I saved them because I know somebody is always hungry.
That's me. I'm gonna attempt to fly this drone again, and this is where I'm gonna leave it. If you made it all the way to this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. I release videos just like this every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. So you don't wanna miss them, so be sure to turn that post notification bell on and you'll be alerted. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Here is tip number 5. The last tip is to simply think about the worst day you've ever had in your life and just think about how horrible it was, what you went through, but more importantly, how you overcame. because even your worst day wasn't your last day. So you opened your eyes this morning, you saw this video, you enjoyed it, hopefully, and you're still here. So just remember that even on your worst day, it's still not your last day. You'll get over it. 5 years from now, that worst day will seem like a joke to you, most likely. All right? So keep your chin up, you got this, and go have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Say bye, Shui.
Bye.
Bye. Now let's fly this drone. Look at on the phone.
You can see what you're like doing. That's so cool.